Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable only people you follow can tag you on Twitter or X. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable only people you follow can tag you on Twitter, go to your browser and browse x.com. In left pane, go to more options, and the last option is settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Under settings, the first option is your account. Click on your account and then go to account information. Here you just type your password. I'm typing my password here and click on confirm. Here you will find protected posts. Click on protected posts. You will find here the second option, photo tagging. Now anyone can tag you. Just click on photo tagging, and under photo tagging, now anyone can tag you is selected. You will find another option, only people you follow can tag you. Now select second one. Now only people can tag you is enabled on my Twitter or X. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.